Hello, hi, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel. Today we're going to see about the YouTube's new update, night mode, dark theme mode. When you use YouTube, your charge will be in white color. YouTube, your charge will be lost many. And when you use this new update, dark theme, your charge will be not lost. Okay. And another option is when you use YouTube at night time, your eye will be paining. When you use this mode, your eye will be not paining. This is the option. Okay, we can see how to on off this. Okay, we can see about this. Okay, let us see how to enable that option in our YouTube. Okay, let us see about this. First, now this is my new iPhone. I taking this video with our iPhone also. Okay, first select your YouTube. You need updated YouTube for this mode. Update your YouTube. First update your YouTube and click that YouTube is written here. Click your my channel settings. In that click the sixth option my settings. In that first option general. In the general second option dark theme. Click and apply that. Now it will be dark theme. In night, if you are using your mobile, your eye will be not affected. When you play the video, it is very nice. Now see, this video is very nice. When you play the video, okay. What do you think about this option? Write in our comment. Okay, thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel.